Elon Elon Musk talks about robots all the time, but nobody else in the auto industry does. Here's why. CB Insights used a linguistic algorithm to analyze 28 quarters of earning calls from four automakers. So basically, CB Insight used a linguistic algorithm to analyze 28 quarters of earning calls from four automakers: GM, Ford, Daimler, and Tesla. Tesla spends way more time talking about robots than all the other three. A data analytics firm has done something interesting. It used algorithm analysis to crunch 28 quarter of earnings call transcripts from GM, Ford, Daimler, and Tesla. The firm was able to make some intriguing observations from scrutinizing calls from 2011 to 2017, but one result stands out. Tesla spends way more time talking about robots than any other automakers. Tesla is the only company talking about robots um, in the assembly line, with the mention of robots and robotics reaching a new peak in 2017. Automation has been a double-edged sword for Tesla. Musk has talked it up a major future differentiator, enabling Tesla to build vehicles better and faster. But in practice, at the car maker factories in Fremont and Nevada, it's been a mixed bag. Some efforts at automation haven't worked, and human workers have been added to the process to fix problems. Musk machine that builds the machine is farther off than it might have seemed a year ago. But why aren't other automakers talking about robots? The answer has two parts. First, Musk's embrace of automation is consistent with Tesla's story of disruption and a brave new world of high-tech Silicon Valley inspired mobility. Of course, the dirty work will be done by machines. Second, established automakers have their act together with robots and have been dealing with them for decades. They might not be trying to replace all human workers with robots. In fact, efforts to do so have been unsuccessful, and car companies have learned their lessons, but they're familiar with what automation can achieve, so they treat it as a given. If they had to take a if they had to talk about it, particularly on an earning call, it might actually be a bad thing. The bottom line is the GM and Ford use a lot of robots to build millions of vehicles globally and have for years, but because automation as it is currently utilized is completely baked into their business models, it's pointless to discuss with Wall Street analysts. They're more concerned about financial results. Tesla financial results have been extremely depressing. The company has never posted an annual profit in 15 years of existence, and in 2017 lost more money than ever. The balance sheet is something of a disaster. The stock price, however, is riding high largely on the strength of a story.